Dimatec as a company has been around since 1988. We want to make sure that our product is great quality, at a price that meets the market demands. Labor shortage for the industry that we're in is critical. We've been looking for 3 machinists for over a year, and we found 2.
The skilled labour shortage that we are experiencing here in Canada is pretty high, and that's where we come in.
Automation allows us to maximize efficiencies at a time when a skilled workforce is difficult to obtain. Our overall overhead's reduced, our overall cost of direct labor can be reduced.
What we sell is not like a cookie cutter, it's tailored for each individual customer.
When you go from 16 to 18,000 units behind, and then now all of a sudden you're 16 to 18,000 units ahead, I would say that's a pretty good partnership. And Source Atlantic has been a great help with their knowledge and expertise. You need to be always on the cutting edge of trying to improve your ability to manufacture, otherwise you get left in the dust.
This is the way to go.
With automation, you're machining with nobody here. Lights out.